Center of the field real quick. It's the drum major for UNA too. I know you're out the back gate, but if you come back to the center of the field, we have a special plaque for your band.
Very cool.
Presenting the flag to the UNA drum major for their fine exhibition, Mr. Walter Horton. Mr. Horton's present is very valued. Presenting our awards tonight will be Mr. Walter Horton and several members of the City Council, Hoover Board of Education, etc. In Class A, Ms. Sheila Trim from the Hoover City Council will be helping with the awards. We will call out ratings in each class first of all, and then we'll go back and do class winners.
I know what this is.
Okay, in Class Single A, Meek High School. Drum major, 1. Color guard, 1. Percussion, 1. Band, 1, 1, 1, for an overall 1.
That's about it. You can speak. We just sit up the
Okay, in Class 2A, Fultondale High School. Drum major, 2. Color guard, 1. Percussion, 2. Band, 2, 1, 2, for an overall 2. Continuing in Class 2A, by the way, presenting trophies in Class 2A, Mr. Ricky Lynn, member of the Hoover City Council. Vincent High School, drum major, 2. Majorette, 1. Color guard, 1. Percussion, 1. Band, 2, 2, 2, for an overall 2. Continuing in Class 2A, Corner High School, drum major, 2. Dance team, 1. Color guard, 2. Percussion, 1. Band, 1, 1, 1, for an overall 1. Continuing in Class 2A, Russellville High School. Drum major, 1. Majorette, 1. Color guard, 1. Percussion, 1. Band, 1, 1, 1 for an overall 1. Maniana High School. Drum major, 1. Majorette, 1. Color guard, 2. Percussion, 2. Band, 1, 1, 1 for an overall 1.
Bro, take off it.
In Class 3A, Mountain Brook High School. Drum major, 1. Majorette, 2. Dance team, 1. Color guard, 1. Percussion, 1. Band, 1, 1, 1 for an overall 1. I think Mountain Brook has a football game they're playing right now. And Class 3A, Lawrence County High School. Drum major, 1. No majorettes or dance teams. Color guard, 1. Drum line, 2. Band, 1, 1, 1 for an overall 1. In Class 4A, Huffman High School. Drum major, 1. Dance team, 1. Color guard, 1. Percussion, 1. Band, 1, 1, 1 for an overall 1. And I believe Huffman High School.
I gotta go. They said I have my boyfriend. After this, I should have a big bonfire. So school and everything else. Burn. Like water the paint. Cheetah couldn't survive in this weather.
Next in Class 4A, Pinson Valley High School. Drum major, 1. Majorettes, 1. Dance team, 1. Color guard, 1. Percussion, 1. Band, 1, 1, 1 for an overall 1.
He said, my turn is low. Mine's down in the third row.
Continuing Class 4A, Uniontown High School, drum major, 2, majorettes, 2, dance team, 2, color guard, 2, percussion, 2, band, 1, 1, 2 for an overall 1. Vestavia Hills High School. Drum majors, 1. 1. Color guard, 1. Percussion, 1. And 1, 1, 1. Drum major, 1. Dance team, 1. Color guard, 1. Percussion, 1. Band, 1, 1, 1 for an overall 1. Okay, Class 5A, Oak Grove High School. Drum major, 1. Dance team, 1. Color guard, 1. Percussion, 1. Band, 1, 1, 1 for an overall.
Who?
Albertville High School. Drum major, 1. Dance team, 1. Color guard, 1. Percussion, 1. Band, 1, 1, 1 for an overall 1. Okay, now the class winners. Before I do this, I'd like to remind you that the first place trophies were supplied by the Coca-Cola Bottling Company And the Best in Class percussion trophies are donated by the Yamaha Drum Company and will be presented by Gary Asher of Nuncy Music. Class 1A, Best Drum Major with a score of 89, Meek High School. Best Color Guard with a score of 92, Meek High School. Best Percussion with a score of 88, Meek High School. And Best Band in Class with an average score of 91.3, Meek High School. In Class 2A, Drum Major with a score of 90, Oak Grove High School. In class with a final score of 97.3, Albertville High School. Best Drum Major in Class with a score of 89, Oak Grove High School.